Are you interested in a career that combines technology and healthcare? Do you want to impact patients' lives directly? A diploma in radiology may be your perfect starting point. In just 1 to 2 years, you can learn essential imaging techniques like X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs to assist doctors in diagnosing patients. A diploma in radiology is a specialized program that teaches students how to use diagnostic imaging tools effectively. This program is shorter than a full degree and focuses on hands-on training and practical application, making it ideal for those wanting a quick entry into healthcare. The course covers important topics like human anatomy, radiation physics, patient positioning, and radiation safety. You can work as an X-ray technician, CT scan technologist, MRI technician, and more. Major employers include hospitals like Apollo and Fortis, as well as diagnostic labs. What about salaries? Entry-level positions typically offer a range starting from Rs 15,000 to Rs 30,000 per month, with experienced technicians earning significantly more. International opportunities further increase earning potential, making a diploma in radiology financially rewarding. So, what's next after completing your diploma? Many graduates pursue further studies like a BSc in radiology or PG diploma for advanced skills in specific imaging technology, enhancing job prospects and salary. Are you ready to take the next step toward a fulfilling career in healthcare? Explore the Diploma in Radiology program today and start making a meaningful difference in the lives of patients. If you have more questions or want to learn about specific colleges offering this diploma, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Are you intrigued by a career combining healthcare and technology? What if you could help save lives while working with modern equipment? Today, let's explore a diploma in radiology. This program offers a direct path into healthcare, allowing you to impact patients' lives. In just 1 to 2 years, you'll master essential imaging techniques, including X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs. These skills assist doctors in accurately diagnosing patients. What exactly does the program cover? You'll train in operating radiological equipment, capturing precise images, and supporting healthcare professionals in their work. This diploma focuses on hands-on training rather than a full degree. It's perfect if you want to enter the healthcare field quickly. Your studies will include vital topics like human anatomy, radiation physics, patient positioning, and radiation safety. Expect both theoretical lessons and practical internships. By graduation, you could work as a radiologic technologist, X-ray technician, or imaging assistant. Why should you consider radiology? The demand for skilled technicians is high. Hospitals, diagnostic labs, and emergency rooms are hiring. You can complete your education swiftly, often within 2 years. Plus, radiology professionals enjoy competitive salaries and opportunities to work internationally. What does the diploma course look like? Generally, it is structured over 2 years. In year 1, you'll cover human anatomy, radiographic physics, and radiation safety and protection. In year 2, expect to study advanced diagnostic imaging and participate in practical internships. This course not only teaches technical skills but also builds essential interpersonal skills needed for patient care. Graduates are prepared to create meaningful careers in healthcare, improving patient outcomes daily. Are you eligible to enroll? Most institutions require you to be at least 17 and have a 10+2 qualification in science. While biology subjects are preferred, some colleges accept students from other streams. After earning your diploma, the career prospects look promising. You can become an X-ray technician or CT scan technologist, among other roles. Major employers include hospitals like Apollo and Fortis. Are you ready to start a fulfilling career in healthcare? Join us in making a meaningful difference in patients' lives. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more information.